Okay, Disney fans, buckle up because today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour through the absolute must-see highlights of Walt Disney World in America. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned park hopper, I promise you're about to discover something magical. Let's jump right in. First up, Magic Kingdom. This is the iconic park with Cinderella Castle soaring right in the middle. Yeah, the one you've seen on a million postcards. It's all about classic Disney vibes here. You've got to make your way down Main Street, USA and grab a Mickey-shaped snack. Don't skip Space Mountain. It's a dark, twisty roller coaster through the stars, and it's a total rite of passage. Oh, and if you're visiting at night, stake out a spot for the fireworks. Trust me, it's pure Disney magic in the sky. Next up is EPCOT. Picture a giant golf ball. Yep, that's Spaceship Earth. EPCOT is all about the future and the world, wrapped up in one park. Check out World Showcase, where you can literally walk around the globe in an afternoon. Try authentic snacks from countries like France, Japan, and Mexico. Don't sleep on Soarin'. It's a flight simulator that gives you a bird's-eye view of famous landmarks. Seriously, you'll want to ride it twice. Now let's jet over to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Movie lovers, this one's for you. You can blast off on Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, which isn't just a ride, it's a full-blown adventure. Toy Story Land is perfect for families, especially if you want to shrink down and see the world from a toy's point of view. And let's not forget the Tower of Terror. It's creepy, it's thrilling, and that drop will have you screaming and laughing at the same time. Last but definitely not least, Disney's Animal Kingdom. This park is part zoo, part theme park, and totally unique. The must-do here is Avatar Flight of Passage. You'll ride a banshee over the world of Pandora, and I swear it's so immersive you'll forget you're in Florida. Don't miss the Kilimanjaro safaris either. You'll get up close with giraffes, elephants, and lions. No two safaris are ever the same. Now, before I wrap up, here are a couple of pro tips. Download the My Disney Experience app. It's a game changer for checking wait times and booking lightning lanes. Stay hydrated, wear comfy shoes, and take plenty of photos. There's so much to see and do, but remember, it's Disney, so slow down, soak up the details, and let yourself feel like a kid again. So, that's my quick guide to the must-see highlights at Walt Disney World in America. Whether you're riding roller coasters, eating churros, or just hugging your favorite character, there's magic around every corner. If you're planning your own trip, let me know your must-dos in the comments. Thanks for coming along, and as always, keep dreaming, Disney fans.